In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automate Google Sheets with Zapier. To get started, open your web browser and go to Zapier. Once you are on the main Zapier home screen, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct account, since automations and connections are saved per user. From the home area, click the main navigation option that takes you to your connected apps. In Zapier, these are often called connections. This section is important because it is where you link Google Sheets to Zapier, and it also helps you confirm the connection is active before you build or run any automation. If you have not connected Google Sheets before, Zapier will prompt you to sign into your Google account and allow access. Follow the on-screen prompts and make sure you choose the Google account that actually owns or can edit the spreadsheet you plan to automate. After you have reviewed your connections, return to the home area in Zapier. This brings you back to the place where you can quickly create new automations and search for apps or workflow templates. Next, use the search field on the home page and type Google Sheets. As you type, Zapier will show matching apps and suggestions. Select Google Sheets from the results to continue. This tells Zapier that Google Sheets will be involved in the automation you are about to set up. Once Google Sheets is selected, continue by clicking through the highlighted prompts on the screen to move into the automation builder. Zapier will guide you through choosing what you want Google Sheets to do, such as adding spreadsheet data, updating rows, or using a spreadsheet event to trigger another action. Move forward using the on-screen selections, staying within the Google Sheets options you just opened. When you reach the next input field, type in the requested detail as shown in the highlighted area. This is typically where you narrow down what you are automating, like specifying a spreadsheet, a worksheet tab, or a piece of information Zapier needs in order to proceed. Enter the text carefully, because small differences in names can cause Zapier to select the wrong file or sheet. At this point, you should be positioned to continue configuring the rest of your Zap, with Google Sheets connected and selected inside Zapier. That covers everything you need to know.